Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. In today's episode, we are going to discuss how to get him to call you. So this video is for women who may have partners that are starting to become more distant. It's like you're hoping to get your partner to call you more often, but you can't figure out how. So in this video, we are going to give you 10 ways to encourage your partner to do so. Now remember, ladies, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. Now let's get to the topic. Number 1, communicate your needs. This sounds so cliche, but it's the truth. If you want your partner to call you more often, you have to let him know. Let your partner know that hearing from them is important to you. Be clear about what you need and ask them to make an effort to check in with you more frequently. Number 2, send a friendly reminder. We know it's not ideal, but if your partner has a tendency to forget to call, try sending him a friendly reminder. Send a text message or give him a quick call to let him know that you're thinking of him and would love to hear from him. Number 3, be patient. Remember that your partner may have other things going on in his life, and that may be keeping him busy. Be patient and understanding. Try not to take it personally if he doesn't call you as often as you'd like. Be considerate of the other things that is going on in his life. Maybe he has a deadline at work that he needs to meet. Maybe his mother is sick. Maybe his best friend is getting a divorce. He may be paying attention to other things that are more important right at that moment. Number 4, make it easy. Make it easy for your partner to call you by keeping your phone nearby. Make sure that it's charged. Let him know that you're available to talk and that you would love to hear from him. Number 5, be positive and upbeat. When your partner does call, be positive. Let him know how much you appreciate hearing from him and how much you value your time together. If all you do whenever he calls is nag, complain, be a total downer, it may prevent him from wanting to talk to you again. Number 6, plan something fun. Plan a fun activity or outing that you can do together and let your partner know that you're looking forward to it. This can be a great way to get them excited about calling you more often. Planning something fun with your partner can be a great way to incentivize him to call more. It may also strengthen your connection and create lasting memories together. It will also allow the two of you to just sit down and talk about the things that you will enjoy. It will give you something to look forward to. So when he does call or when you talk to each other, tell him that you want to plan something fun, that you want to go out and have fun with him, experience life with him, create shared experiences together. And if he agrees, then you can start planning together. That's even going to cause more excitement. Just thinking about where you're going to go, what you're going to do, looking things up online. It will put the two of you in a great mood, and it's going to end the conversation on a really high note. And who knows, maybe he'll call you the very next day because he saw something online and he thought, maybe she'd love this. Number 7, don't be too needy. Avoid being too needy or clingy, as this can be a turnoff for some people. Give your partner space and try to strike a balance between being available and being independent. Being needy in a relationship can be detrimental to your connection with your partner. So try to maintain your own independence. It's important for you to have your own hobbies, your own friends, and your own interests outside of your relationship. This will give you a sense of independence and prevent you from relying too much on your partner for happiness and fulfillment. Try not to rely on your partner to fulfill all of your emotional needs. Communicate what you need from him in a clear and direct manner, but it's also important to give him space. They need the space to pursue their own interests and have time alone. This will prevent you from being too clingy or demanding of their time and attention. Remember, it's important to strike a balance between being supportive and caring and being overly needy. By maintaining your own independence and communicating effectively with your partner, you can avoid being needy and you can create a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Number 8, be supportive. Be supportive of your partner's goals and interests. Let him know that you're proud of his accomplishments. This can help to strengthen your connection and encourage him to call you more often. Number 9, show appreciation. When your partner does call, make sure to show a little appreciation. Let him know how much you enjoy talking to him and how much you value his time. Showing appreciation is an essential component of healthy relationships. When you show appreciation, you are acknowledging and valuing the efforts and contributions of your partner, and that will make him want to talk to you more. Showing appreciation will also enhance the connection between the two of you, and this will lead to improved communication. When you show appreciation, it fosters open and positive communication. It creates a safe space for both partners to express themselves and share their feelings. Showing your appreciation can also help create a culture of gratitude. This can become a habit to regularly express gratitude for each other and the good things in your life. And that kind of loving, nurturing, and positive atmosphere will make a man want to call you again and again. Number 10, be honest. If you're feeling neglected or upset about not hearing from your partner, be honest and express your feelings in a calm and constructive way. Let him know how much it would mean to you to hear from him more often. If you are feeling concerned about the lack of communication in your relationship, it's important to have an open and honest conversation with him. You need to talk about your needs and expectations. Try to approach the conversation in a non-confrontational way. That's just going to drive him away. It's going to cause him to shut down. Instead, try to be calm and listen to your partner's perspective. It's important for you to get his side of the story and see if maybe there was something that you were doing that was just driving him away, or at the very least, keeping him at arm's length. Try to approach the conversation in an open, honest, but loving manner. Show him that you truly care and that you want to save this relationship, that you want to make him happy. You want to make sure that everything's okay between the two of you. Remember that effective communication is key to a healthy and fulfilling relationship.